Best foods for energy. Bananas. Bananas may be one of the best foods for energy. They're an excellent source of complex carbs, potassium, and vitamin B6, all of which can help boost your energy levels. Eggs. Eggs are not only a tremendously satisfying food but also full of energy that can help fuel your day. They're packed with protein, which can give you a steady and sustained source of energy. Apples. Apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and they're a good source of carbs and fiber. A medium-sized apple, 100 grams, contains about 14 grams of carbs, 10 grams of sugar, and up to 2.1 grams of fiber. Due to their rich content of natural sugars and fiber, apples can provide a slow and sustained energy release. Yogurt. Yogurt is an excellent snack to fuel your day. The carbs in yogurt are mainly in the form of simple sugars, such as lactose and galactose. When broken down, these sugars can provide ready-to-use energy. Additionally, yogurt is packed with protein, which helps slow the digestion of carbs, thereby slowing the release of sugars into the blood. Green tea. Green tea is famous for its long list of health benefits. It has a high concentration of powerful antioxidants that can help prevent oxidative stress and inflammation. Moreover, green tea can be a good energy booster for physical activity, as it can decrease fatigue by increasing the breakdown of fat and release of the hormone norepinephrine.